So maybe you like pizza. Maybe you want some pizza right the heck now. Variety is the spice of life. You gotta have sauce on hand. How about some white garlic sauce? Here's how you make it. So, entire head of garlic. We're going to cut the bottom to let it set flat. Then we're going to cut off the top just to expose every one of the cloves. Done! You can see all the cloves. Now we're going to get a piece of foil. We're going to set the garlic on the foil. We're going to cover it with a little bit of olive oil. Then a little pinch of salt and pepper. Then we're going to close it up. Ninja XL Grill. Turn it on. Roast, 350, 20 minutes. Warm it up. When it's ready, add the garlic. Wait 20 minutes. Okay, as the garlic roasts, take a cup of milk, medium heat. Cook the milk until it simmers, but not a second more. All right, milk is simmering. Cover it, set it aside. Set another pot on the stove. 2 tablespoons of butter. Melt it. Once the butter's melted, add 2 tablespoons of flour. Make a roux. Don't brown it. Slowly whisk in the milk. Whisk it well, no lumps. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Bring it to a boil. Let it thicken. Take it off the heat. Add that sauce to your blender. Roasted garlic out of the air fryer. Gonna be hot. Squeeze the cloves into the sauce. Now blend it. Once it's smooth, you have incredible tasting roasted garlic white pizza sauce. Give this a try.